Did you know drinking grape and purple cabbage before bed will make you sleep like a log? Drinking carrot and ginger in the morning will give you more energy than a cup of coffee. Drinking garlic and cucumber once a day will give you clear, glowing skin. Drinking pineapple and kale in the evening will fight off illness and infection. Drinking tomato and horseradish juice will quickly burn your belly fat. Drinking coconut water and orange juice will give you shiny, healthy hair. You can find all of our juicing recipes in the link in my profile.